This a chin boss video.
Our police attack, you can't get one nothing. On the videotape. Get the number. Our police this. Where you run? Where you to run? Where you to run? Take it from here. I left you on 4716. Where you to run? I look at your police. Where you to run? You're not getting do that to citizens. What is that? Yo, what is that for?
My next piece of
Sorry, I'm going to go. Let them alone. Attack in the come. Attack in the come. Driver, make them do what they do. Don't fight them. And the fucker them weak.
That's why they come out time. We can't deal with that. That's why they come out the police force. We can't deal with this. And that's why the police people there.
They handcuff whatever they say turn off right by. Same man turn off right by.
Yes, sir. That's one by the police. Please, step back.
When I can't tell the police on the way. You're trying to push me here. You're trying to push me. Don't push me.
illiterate and done snipers. No police to their force, man.
No friends here, that's not my friend. Don't push me. Don't push me.
And a crime scene with a panel. And a crime scene. Remember, say no crime scene with a pan. Crime scene, you can't push the people. You should have done this for the first place, because I'm not done. Surely I'm not done, so I'm in a force. Fucking idiot. No right, no there, brother. I be a dunce join the police force. Every day I talk. Illiterate and dunce join the police force. Be a dunce join the police force. Illiterate and dunce. I be sure you say hold on up on the camera and you still are the same fuck you no dunce, brother. You hold on no dunce. I'll put in the blue suit. You know no government dunce. And they own a suit for dunce around. But first of all, you should the correspondent that so much camera. And they do it all and pull him on. Yeah, we don't move. One of pepper spray man for now. Where the blood clot this one? You're no weaker than the man. All your mouth bash up. I'll be an illiterate not policeman. I'm a task force that you have done. Why go be a disgrace police brutality? Nobody.
What then we boy kill?
I'll be a dunce night force. I'm not afraid of that. The government dunce around the
Welcome again, people. Remember to leave a comment below and share and like the video and subscribe for more great content, and remember to check out one of our suggested videos on the screen. Until next time, peace.